Oh, he nibbled on him. You gotta hold, yeah.
No, videotape. Oh, you are.
Sam, I can't see from here.
You can't see it?
Is he gnawing on him?
No, gotta wait again.
Down here. Big kitty chew. Right over here. I'll watch it later. Just keep videotaping. Ricky, get kitchen. Kitchen.
Tasted it.
I think he got part of his tail. Or it's whatever. Pretty sure he did. Ooh, that was awesome. Yeah. Oh, that is just messed up.
Nom nom nom.
You're messing it up. I don't even know if I'm getting one. Jesus.
Oh, that's quick.
I guess he was hungry.
This fish head tastes good. He's just holding it in his mouth. He's like, are you gonna look away when I eat this? He's just gonna fish.
Got it.
Finally. Finally got it.